On this week's Miami Life, fighting a legal battle can be a no-win situation for many people. That's where Legal Services of Greater Miami comes in. The nonprofit offers free legal help to fight evictions, navigate bankruptcy, and protect government benefits. But as it approaches its 60th year, budget cuts now threaten its ability to help those in need.
For nearly 60 years, Legal Services of Greater Miami has been helping people like Army veteran Michael Harley fight the good fight in court. When he got an eviction notice at his low-income housing complex in Overtown, he contacted Legal Services.
I explained the situation to them that I was having here in the building, and they immediately said, yes, we'll take the case.
Lawyers at the nonprofit went to work on his behalf and won. Harley says without their help, he likely would have lost his home.
It probably would have cost me thousands of dollars, which I didn't have to spend to fight to stay here. So they would have eventually forced me out.
Legal Services exists to help people who otherwise couldn't afford to hire an attorney to represent them. It now handles more than 25,000 cases a year, involving more than 5,000 people. More than half of their cases involve tenant rights. Crystal Freeman turned to them when her landlord tried to have her evicted from her Section 8 housing. They had the case against her dismissed.
Honestly, I want to know where I'd be, because if I would have lost the case, then that would have been bad for me. I would have had eviction on my record.
Many times those who come here seeking help have nowhere else to turn and are overwhelmed. Many who worked at the nonprofit have been there for decades. The current CEO, Monica Vigues-Pitan, joined fresh out of law school 22 years ago.
My first day of practicing law was in a homeless shelter doing intake.
Most of those who used to seek help at Legal Services were on some type of government assistance. The shaky economy and soaring housing costs in South Florida has changed that.
We have clients now that have 2 jobs that qualify for our services because of how unaffordable Miami-Dade County has become, that, they have to work a couple jobs just to sort of make ends meet.
Legal Services was started in 1966 during the Johnson administration. Some of its alumni include current Miami-Dade Mayor Daniela Levine Cava. Looming budget cuts could see the agency lose up to a third of its $12 million operating budget. That would lead to a reduction of more than 130,000 cases Legal Services could take on.
So if that funding is reduced, obviously we would be reducing services because it is such a significant amount of our funding.
The goal is to help people, and doing so indirectly helps South Florida in ways that some may never notice.
We can be an integral part for the individual and a great return on investment for the community.